In a charming suburban neighborhood, the Wonder Pets, Linny, Ming-Ming, and Tuck, received an urgent call for help from a worried puppy owner named Sarah. Sarah explained that her adorable little puppy, Bella, had accidentally locked herself inside the house and was unable to open the door to get out. Bella was standing near the dog door, whimpering and pawing at it, but she just couldn't figure out how to use it. Determined to assist, the Wonder Pets quickly set off to Sarah's house in their versatile flyboat. Their rescue song echoed as they soared through the sky. Musical note: the phone is ringing. The phone, we'll be right there. The phone is ringing. There's an animal in trouble. There's an animal in trouble. Musical note. Upon arriving at Sarah's home, they found Bella sitting by the dog door, her tail wagging anxiously. The Wonder Pets approached Bella with soothing words and gestures to calm her down. Linny, the thoughtful guinea pig, inspected the dog door and realized that Bella might need some guidance to understand how it worked. Ming-Ming, the energetic duckling, fluttered over to the dog door and demonstrated how to use it. She pushed it open with her wing, demonstrating the simple motion. Tuck, the caring turtle, gently picked Bella up and placed her near the dog door, encouraging her to watch Ming-Ming's demonstration closely. With a little bit of patience and repeated demonstrations, Bella began to understand the concept of the dog door. The Wonder Pets praised her with cheers and encouraging words every time she made an effort to push the door open. As Bella gained confidence, she tentatively approached the dog door and nudged it with her nose. The door swung open, and Bella excitedly trotted through, her tail wagging with pride. The Wonder Pets clapped and cheered, celebrating Bella's accomplishment. The Wonder Pets and Bella spent some time practicing, with Bella going in and out of the dog door, growing more comfortable with each attempt. With their mission successfully completed, the Wonder Pets joined Bella and Sarah in a joyful circle, singing their victorious song. Musical note: we're not too big, and we're not too tough. But when we work together, we've got the right stuff. Go, Wonder Pets, yay! Musical note. With Bella happily exploring the backyard through the dog door, the Wonder Pets bid farewell to Sarah and Bella, knowing that their teamwork and determination had once again made a positive impact. They boarded their flyboat and soared into the sky, ready for new adventures and always eager to help animals in need, one creative solution at a time.